Hey there, YouTube fam! Welcome back to another intriguing tech update. Today, we're diving into the curious case of Snapchat's AI behaving strangely on August 15th, 2023. Did it get hacked? Let's find out. Snapchat's My AI going rogue and posting a story all on its own, no instructions given. Whoa, right? On that day, many users were baffled as a quick video appeared on their stories showing just a wall and ceiling. Creepy, yet intriguing. Naturally, everyone jumped to the conclusion that Snapchat's AI was hacked. But hold up, not so fast. CNN got the scoop from Snapchat themselves, and guess what? It was just a temporary glitch. A spokesperson confirmed, "My AI experienced a temporary outage that's now resolved." Let's talk about those user reactions. Panic mode on. Some thought their accounts were hacked, while others were genuinely freaked out. Tweets flooded in like, "Snapchat probably hacked," and "Is my Snapchat AI hacked?" But hey, it was just a tech hiccup. Now let's clear the air. Snapchat's AI isn't a real person, it's a smart tool. CEO Evan Spiegel spilled the beans. It's all about algorithms and mimicking human interaction. Think of it as a just like real friends kind of thing. The more you chat, the more it learns. So, there you have it, folks. Mystery solved. Snapchat's AI wasn't hacked on August 15th, 2023. It was a glitch, but no worries. It's all back to normal. Remember, AI is here to make our lives easier, not spook us out. Smash that like button, subscribe for more tech tales, and I'll catch you in the next video.